Happening now in Winnebago County Court. Online court records show the trial begins this morning for Neenah City Attorney David Rashid, who's facing several sexual assault charges. Rashid was previously placed on administrative leave in May of 2024 after the city saw the criminal complaint against him. Court records show an anonymous email sent to Neenah police accused Rashid of abusing his ex-wife. The city reinstated him in August of 2024 following an investigation into the alleged incident. The city claims the charges against him were not work-related. Online court records show Rashid pleaded not guilty to 3 counts of sexual assault. The trial is expected to last until Friday.